My 3D printer was making a very scary grinding noise, and now it is broken and won't home. Let's have a look. Alright, so I can auto home. And the red light is blinking. And it's not going to home, it's just sticking. When I turn the printer off and turn it back on, the VL Touch does not come down anymore. Normally, if it were to function normally, it would extend and retract 3 times. But by now the VL Touch should have come out several times, and it didn't. It just sits there.